What is up everyone? In today's video I am going to show you how to fix no notification sound in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now click on do not disturb. Now here you can check if you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notification, and here you can turn on or allow your notification. Now simply click on app and here you can allow your notifications. After allow your notifications, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.